Mokili, 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 Mokili. Mokili salambongo, Mokili liambongo.
Welcome again to this channel and to this video. My name is Mokili, and you know that I do this kind of content where I take very popular rumba songs and classics and translate them so that those of you who are in love with the songs know what it is that the artists wanted to do. So the song in the background is called Mokili Matata. Hey, Mokili Matata is a Celi Bitsou composition, 1970 or thereabouts. Of course, it's done by OK Jazz. Now, on vocals, there is the very clear vocals of Yulu Mabiala Le Prince and yes, Luambo Luanzo Franco Mokili himself. On bass guitar, of course, is the bassman himself, Celi Bitsou. The lead guitar, solo guitar is done by Franco Luambo Luanzo Mokili. Rhythm guitar, I don't know if it is Brazo or Simarolo Tumba. I'm not sure. If you know exactly who did that, you can actually leave that in the comments section. So it's a very nice song that talks about life. So what is it about life? First of all, the song is called Mokili Matata, which means that the world is problematic, that the world is full of issues.
Nayokaki bakotongo ngai pamba pamba pona likamo ya baninga.
Nayokaki bakotongo ngai pamba pamba mpona likambo ya baninga. You know, I had them gossiping and talking about me for no apparent reason about other people's issues and problems, about my friends' issues. They were really talking and backbiting and saying everything they wanted to say.
Mpona likambo ya kosali sana
mpona likambo ya kosali sana, because of the issue of assisting one another. Kosalisa is to assist, so mpona likambo ya kosali sana means because of the whole issue of assisting one another. Mokili elingaka salisa baninga bazongisa mabe. No, this world is such that people like it when you help your friends, but what do? They return bad deeds, bad actions. That is, you do the best you can, but they pay you with the bad issues, with bad things.
Nayokaki
bakotonga. I heard them gossiping, talking about me.
Pamba pamba pona likambo ya baninga.
Pamba pamba mpona likambo ya baninga, for no apparent reason, about problems of my friends or issues of my friends.
Mpona likambo ya kosali sana.
Mpona likambo ya kosali, because of the whole issue, the whole matter of assisting one another.
Mokili elingaka salisa baninga.
Mokili elingaka salisa baninga. You know, this world loves it when you help your friends. Bazongisa mabe, but they answer you back with they backstab you, they answer you back with bad things. So you do the good things, they do the bad things to you.
Mokili elingaka sala basala.
Mokili elingaka sala basala. This world likes it when if you do, they also do.
Mokili elingaka loba baloba.
Mokili elingaka loba baloba. The world likes it if you say, they also say. If you talk, they talk. If you do, they also want to do.
Mokili elingaka pesa bakumisa.
Mokili elingaka pesa bakumisa. You know, this world loves it that you give out, then they praise you.
Tika tosalisa tozalebele.
Tika tosalisa tozalebele. Let us help one another because we are many.
Mokili elingaka kaka nde boye.
Mokili elingaka kaka nde boye. Oh, so this is how the world likes it or loves it.
Osalisa baninga sima batonga yo.
Osalisa baninga sima batonga yo. You know, you help friends, then they talk about you, then they backbite you, then they do underground things against you.
Lobby o mata, lobby o kita.
Lobby o mata, lobby o kita. You know, tomorrow you can go up, tomorrow you can go down. Mata is go up, kita is go down.
Tika to salisa, tozale bele.
Tika to salisa, tozale bele. Let us help because so that we can be many, so that we are many. By the way, this is one of the songs of Franco Lambolazo Makeda and OK Jazz where you do not hear the saxophone anywhere. Wow. Elingaka sala basala. This one likes it. When you do, they also do.
Mokili elingaka loba baloba.
Mokili elingaka loba baloba. You talk, they also talk.
Mokili elingaka pesa bakumisa.
Mokili elingaka pesa bakumisa. This one likes it. You give out things, then you know they praise you. They call you boss man, you know, they call you all those nice things because you are giving out things, okay? Because you are helping out, you are reaching out to other people.
Tika to salisa, tozale bele.
Tika to salisa, tozale bele. Let us help so that we can have as much.
Mokili elingaka kaka nde boye.
Mokili elingaka kaka nde boye. But you know, this world, it just likes it that way.
Osalisa baninga sima batonga yo.
Osalisa baninga sima batonga yo. You help your friends, then they are on your case, backbiting you and you know, fighting you back.
Lobby o mata, lobby o kita.
Lobby o mata, lobby o kita. You know, tomorrow you can go up, tomorrow you can go down.
Tika to salisa, tozale bele.
Tika to salisa, tozale bele. So let us assist so that we may get just as much back, you know. So it's just what Franco is trying to tell us. Of course, is a Celi Bitsou composition. Lobiso kitokee tokozonga na Mokili nini. Now tomorrow, if we go, which world will we come back to? If we were to live tomorrow, which world would we come back to?
Nyongo tokikaki na bato, tokozongela kofuta.
Nyongo tokikaki na bato, tokozonga kofuta. You know, the debts that we left with people, will come back and pay them.
Mokili, 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 mokili.
This world, mokili, 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 mokili. Then Yulu says matata. You know, it's a difficult world, really.
Mokili salambongo, mokili liambongo.
Mokili salambongo, mokili liambongo. You know, in this world, you have to work so that you get money. You have to work so that you can actually eat.
Mabeto kosala na se, ekofuta manase.
Mabeto kosala kanase, ekofuta manase. That the things that we do on this world, the bad things we do on this world, we shall pay them right here on this world. Of course, there's one that Madilu said that mabeto kosala kana ose, ekofuta makana ose, bolamu tokosala kana ose, ekofuta makana likolo, Frere Eduardo. That the bad things that we do in this world will be paid here. but the good things that we do in this world will be paid in heaven.
Mokili, Mokili, kovanda na baninga pasio.
Mokili, Mokili, kovanda na baninga mpasi. You know, in this world it is so difficult staying with friends or having friends.
Lobi na lobi soki tokei.
Lobi na lobi soki tokei. Tomorrow, if we go,
Tokozonga mokili ninyo.
Tokozonga mokili, which world shall we come back to? Kaka oyo, just this one. You'll answer us, just this world. We'll come back to this world. Kaka oyo.
Nyongo totikaki na bato, tokozongela kofuta.
Nyongo totikaki na bato, tokozonga kofutela. You know, the debts that we left with the people, or people's debts that we went with, we shall come back to pay them.
Mokili, 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 Mokili.
This world, Mokili, 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 Mokili.
Mokili salambongo, Mokili liambongo.
Mokili salambongo, Mokili liambongo. In this world, you have to work for money. In this world, you cannot eat if you don't have money.
Mabeto kosala na se.
Mabeto kosala kanase. All the bad things that we do in this world,
Ekofuta manase.
Ekofuta manase. We shall pay for it here on this world.
Mokili, Mokili, kovanda na baninga pasio.
Mokili, Mokili, kovanda na baninga mpasi. It is so tough, it's so difficult having and staying with friends in this world. Mokili, 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 Mokili. This world. And this world, work so that you can get money. In this world, eat only if you have money. Actually, it's money that will make you eat. Kofanda na baninga mpasi, so tough, it's so difficult to stay with friends in this world. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor, just go to the subscribe button and hit it. Thank you for watching.